One of the biggest marketing challenges that I see again and again for small companies is that they understand marketing in a general way. You post to social media, LinkedIn, Facebook, they run some Facebook ads, maybe even some email marketing. The problem is they don't know where and how to put all these pieces together. You know, they don't know how to connect all of these marketing elements together in a way that generates profit for the company, or how to recreate these results again and again when they get the successful results. This is the goal of our workshop. We want to show you how to fix all of this with a simple yet powerful process called the customer value journey. The customer value journey is a marketing framework focused on growth. It's used by all the big international companies, Uber, Infusionsoft, HubSpot, and a load more. And we want to share this process with you. So, this process will work no matter what you sell or where you're based. We've been using it for the last 6 years for Initiative here in Croatia. So it works in Croatia as well. Okay? This is going to be a very hands-on workshop. We're going to cover a lot of stuff. We're going to answer the 3 most important questions that you need to answer before you start any marketing campaign. Who do you serve? Who is your ideal customer? Not just any customer. Who is your ideal customer? And where are they hanging out online? Where can you find them? What value do you bring to the market? What value does your product, offer to your customers? And what is the best way to articulate this value? Unfortunately, people don't care about your product or service. All they care about is how your product or service improves or makes their life better. Let me give you an example. Let's take airlines, for example. Airlines never focus on this journey. They focus on the destination. Okay? And we're going to show you how to put together a marketing plan that works for your business using the customer value journey, the simple but powerful step-by-step process that will help you attract, convert, and keep your best customers. And the best thing is we're going to do this all in about 2.5 hours. So register below and I'll see you on the workshop.